This green light with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay? You're going to keep your head perfectly still. You understand those instructions? Do you understand the instructions?
Welcome back to Cop's Dream. In today's episode, an overly privileged girl dares to challenge the boundaries of truth and justice, only to face an unexpected reckoning with an entitled attitude, a belief that the law doesn't apply to her. Captured entirely on police body cam, what you're about to see will leave you stunned. What happens when arrogance collides with the law? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and get ready for the most intense and raw moments caught on camera. Stay tuned to witness it all. On a chaotic evening of May 26, 2023, a drunk woman caused a commotion in a hotel lobby, harassing guests and refusing to leave despite repeated requests from hotel staff.
You need to leave.
Hi, police!
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
Oh, you look so sassy.
They asked you to leave, right? So you need to
I'm
go.
not leaving.
You're being trespassed.
I'm not leaving until you show the video of what they've done to me.
You trespass, you need to leave.
I'm not trespassing. I paid for this room tonight. And show the video. I'm going to district attorney.
Can you please start this way?
I'll show the SWAT.
Okay. Don't touch me.
Insisting she had paid for a room that night, she became argumentative, demanding video evidence of her alleged mistreatment. In this case, she was charged with trespassing under New York Penal Law Section 140.05, which is defined as knowingly entering or remaining unlawfully on a property. This offense is classified as a violation, punishable by up to 15 days in jail or a fine of up to $250, or both. While this penalty is relatively minor compared to other offenses, it highlights the legal consequences of ignoring lawful requests to vacate private property.
Stop.
Dude, you're so on time because I have a broken clavicle.
We're have to get her,
Wait till you see who I call.
her person. Go ahead.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first really quick.
Go ahead, fat
What? I'm gonna get her
face.
first really quick.
Go ahead, fat face. Cause you're done. You're gonna get fired. Just so you know.
You're going to jail.
They rape me. I don't give a if I go to jail. You live in jail. You fat face. Chubby face. Chubby cheese. No, get
During the confrontation with police, she cited a shoulder injury and accused them of misconduct. She made bizarre claims about connections to New York's district attorney and even threatened to take legal action. Her refusal to cooperate violated New York Penal Law Section 205.30, which criminalizes resisting arrest. This offense is a class A misdemeanor, carrying severe penalties of up to 1 year in jail, a fine of up to $1,000, or both. These penalties underscore the seriousness of resisting lawful orders, even without physical violence.
yeah. He's fat cheese, Chuck E. Cheese face.
Cool. You're in jail.
I don't care. Do I look like I care?
You will when you get in there.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I'm
you will.
gonna show all my shit to all of you.
Sarasota County Jail.
I'm when you all. La 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 la. He's a fat
We
head.
have to make sure we get his info, obviously.
Hi kids. Don't get in trouble with these fat. Wait till you find out I'm out in an hour. I know every district attorney in New York. I'm gonna show my tits to you and then send it to you.
It's all on body cam.
Woo! Don't
Yep,
touch me. You know what? I have a broken fucking shoulder, so do it again.
Despite multiple warnings, the woman continued her disruptive behavior, forcing officers to restrain her and escort her to their vehicle. Once secured, she continued to make the situation complicated.
Ain't clothes in there, you dumb fat. Do you care? What if it was your daughter? Your wife?
Jail.
Get off me, you fat.
Do you have anything on me that could hurt me?
Oh, perfect. Get his info.
No?
Not you, because you're pretty.
Thank you. All right. Well, I gotta
Get
search.
this fat.
He's just holding you for my safety.
Are you
so,
gonna
do you
have
have
with me?
No.
Ultimately, she was arrested for trespassing. Hotel staff later confirmed that a valid trespass notice had been issued against her, barring her from returning to the property for 1 year.
Don't touch my shoulder or I'm going to med. I'm going to the hospital. Do you have a girlfriend? I think he's gay. You're gay. He's gay, totally.
Okay, hop in.
What does it have to do with anything? You're going to jail.
Listen,
Sir?
I don't If that's the point, you don't think I care.
All right, go ahead and hop in,
I
please.
don't care. I can't get up. I need assistance. Keep caution on my wrist, dude.
Well, we gotta help you up. Okay.
Keep caution on my wrist,
Hold
gay
the
boy.
book. All right, go ahead, slide in.
I want my purse back.
We're
Is he
gonna,
still
yes,
on
I'm
my...
gonna take it and put it
I
in the car.
like you, but fat face. He's
Okay.
This case highlights how belligerent behavior and resistance to lawful authority can escalate minor incidents into serious legal trouble. Should penalties for such actions be stricter to deter similar behavior? Drop your thoughts below. Things are just getting started. This next story is guaranteed to keep you on the edge of your seat. On February 26, 2023, a driver was stopped in Florida for speeding. What began as a simple traffic violation quickly escalated into a series of legal troubles.
Is your driver's license suspended?
What is it?
Are you aware that your driver's license is suspended?
No.
And it's suspended in...
For what?
All I see from Alabama shows it's suspended back in December of 2022.
For what?
I don't know. All I see is it's suspended.
Well, that's what I would like. For what?
All I see is it's suspended. I don't know the details. If it was Florida, I could give you the details, but if it's Alabama, I can't give you the details because all I see is suspended.
So what do I do?
Well, you can't drive.
I have a girlfriend. Like, I'm literally...
The officer, Sergeant Spinner, initiated the stop after clocking the driver at 68 VEMF in a 45 VEMF zone. Furthermore, upon checking the system, the officer discovered that the driver's license had been suspended in Alabama since December 2022.
All right. I've issued you 2 citations. The first citation I've issued you is for your speed on Navarre Parkway. This citation is for 68 miles an hour and a posted 45. That citation is $200.
First, the suspect was charged with speeding under Florida Statute 316.183, which requires all drivers to operate their vehicles at a speed that is reasonable and prudent under the conditions and circumstances. Exceeding the speed limit by over 20 mph can result in fines of up to $250, along with points added to the driver's record, which can lead to further license suspensions or increased insurance rates. Additionally, under Florida Statute 322.34, knowingly driving with a suspended license is a criminal offense. For a first offense, it is a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 60 days in jail, 6 months of probation, and a $500 fine. If the suspension is due to a DUI conviction or a refusal to submit to a breath test, the penalties increase significantly, including potential felony charges.
Okay, there's no faculties are impaired.
Okay.
Okay, in other words, I believe that you're intoxicated or pretty much drunk.
Not at all. But I will...
So,
I will not get behind that car.
so as of right now, we're moving to a DUI investigation.
As the interaction continued, the officer observed signs of impairment, but the driver denied consuming alcohol. The field sobriety tests show the contrast.
By your side. Okay. At this time, you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? Here you go. Watch her on this curb right here. Here, watch out.
I've done nothing.
Don't pull away. Come on.
Make you treat me this way.
All right. Step down. Step down for me. There you go.
I've done nothing.
I've been very polite this entire time.
And so have I.
If I have to ask you one more time to stop pulling away from me, I will tack on that additional charge. You understand? Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Okay.
We will call your parents in just a minute. Go ahead and have a seat for me.
I don't trust you people.
Sit down, please.
Can you please call them now so they're aware of what is happening?
They
at
will
this
be
moment?
aware. Please sit
I
down.
need someone other than the three of you. I just need someone else to
Yep.
witness this.
This conduct led to an arrest for DUI in violation of Florida Statute 316.193, which prohibits operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher. For a first-time offense, this misdemeanor carries penalties of a fine between $500 and $1,000, up to 6 months in jail, 50 hours of community service, and a 6 to 12-month license suspension.
For me.
And it's not about that.
Okay.
I just need to be respected.
I understand. I've been very respectful with you.
And that's all that I'm asking is
Hey,
to be
pass me that
respected.
seatbelt.
The driver protested, claiming to have done nothing wrong, but cooperated reluctantly.
your dad first.
I've been obviously trying to call her. Like, obviously. I have no other reason to be over here.
Oh, Maddie, calm down. You're not helping anything. Calm down. Yeah, Maddie.
Oh, okay, so where are you taking me?
Santa Rosa County Jail in Milton.
So how to get out of there?
Whenever you are able to blow under a .05, you're going to have a bond, and once you pay your bond, you're out.
And do that by myself?
Yeah, you should be able to. As long as you got the money for it.
Should I be able to?
Like, as long as you got cards and everything else, like you have the ability to pay for it.
I have the money.
Well, that's what I'm saying. As long as you have the ability to pay for
I
it.
know all y'all care about is money. I just need to make sure that, like, I can physically.
At the station, the driver reluctantly agreed to a breathalyzer test after being informed about Florida's implied consent law, which requires drivers to submit to lawful tests when suspected of DUI. Refusal could result in a 1-year license suspension for a first offense or 18 months for subsequent refusals. The breath test revealed a back nearly double the legal limit, confirming the DUI charge.
You can have the water once we're done in here. Okay. So would you be willing to provide a sample of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content?
Do I have a choice?
You can tell me no.
What is that?
Okay. If you tell me no, your license will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal or 18 months for a second refusal. If it is a second refusal, you can face an additional misdemeanor charge. If you refuse to provide a sample to the test that I'm requesting, it will be admissible into court for any criminal proceedings. With that in mind, do you want to provide a breath sample?
I don't know. I just want to go home.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, we're here now. All right. You're going to be able to go home in just a couple hours. Okay. So we got about 1 minute and 15 seconds.
I don't know. It's like the right. Like, do you ask for a lawyer or do you like? I don't know. I've never been put in this situation before.
Okay. So hold on.
I just might fuck it.
To explain to you, okay, what I just explained to you, okay, is called implied consent. So what it is whenever you signed for your driver's license, you told the state that you will submit to any lawful test requested of you by a law enforcement officer. Okay, this is a lawful test, lawfully requested by a law enforcement officer.
So if I call my lawyer tomorrow morning, they're like, done that.
They're going to tell you you can or you can refuse. It's your option. I'm not going to make you do this thing. I'm asking you to do it.
Despite the driver's protests and claims of unfair treatment, the evidence was clear. She ultimately was charged with DUI, driving with a suspended license, and exceeding the speed. The officer contacted the driver's family to explain the situation and ensure the vehicle was secured.
Okay. We got about 30 seconds. The instrument's going to do a self-check to make sure that it is working properly. Okay. So you have from now until the time that I have to ask for a sample to kind of make up your mind, okay? Again.
I'll take it. Like, I don't.
Okay, I understand.
I don't know. I've never been put in this situation before.
I get it.
It's like
right.
a protocol. Like, I don't know. I've always heard, like, if you go to jail, like, dude.
This case highlights the severe consequences of impaired driving and multiple traffic violations. What's your take on this case? Please share in the comments. Now it's time to see what goes down in the final scenario.
I know, but I'm going to.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mr. Brooks, I'm going to.
Put your hands behind your back. You're acting irresistant.
I'm asking you, why am I putting my hands behind my back?
You're under arrest.
I'm going to sign this ticket, but why am I under arrest?
Ready? Yep.
The first case occurred on August 9th, 2022. It all started when a woman, later revealed as Wall, chose Shady Valley Park as her late night hangout spot, even though the park closed at 11 p.m. So by 11:50 p.m., she was still there, as if the park's closing time was merely a suggestion. When Officer Brooks showed up to issue her a ticket, she was as stubborn as a mule, firmly refusing to sign it.
Stating that he was in the park after hours. All right? Need you to sign right on.
What am I signing over? Is it a charge or anything, or is it
Just a ticket.
And I have to sign it?
You can not sign it and go to jail. It's this one here. All right, that's your license. Copy of the citation. You have any questions?
That's what it is.
Come over here for me, ma'am. Can you come here, ma'am? All right, so you're going to receive a ticket for being in the park after hours. All right? Just need to sign right here on the X.
But because we're out of, didn't you say we were out of time so we wouldn't have known that?
Yeah, but that's not a valid reason why. you should be in the park because you're from out of town.
And what's your badge number?
7452.
And what's your name?
Officer Brooks.
What's your first name?
I'm not going to give you my first name.
Okay, and I don't have to sign this, right?
You do have to sign it.
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, like I explained to him, if you don't sign it, then you're going to be physically taken to jail.
Gotcha.
So you refusing to sign?
What's your name?
Officer Brooks, 7452.
What's the badge number?
I gave it to you 2 times, man.
Okay, I'm asking again.
And I'm not giving it to you.
Okay.
Are you going to sign it?
No, because I want your badge number.
That's fine. You want to put your hands behind your back for me? Hey, listen, my man. She says she's not signing it. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
ma'am.
You're hurting me.
Okay. I'm asking you to put your hands behind your back.
Sir?
Put your hands behind your back.
In this case, her actions constituted a violation of the trespassing law in Texas. Under Texas Penal Code SS 30.05, trespassing is classified as a Class B misdemeanor when an individual enters or remains on property without consent or after being asked to leave. In Texas, this offense carries serious penalties, including a fine of up to $2,000 and a possible jail sentence of up to 180 days, or both.
Sir.
Ma'am, put your hand behind your back.
Come on.
I need you to back up.
I'm just saying, like,
I need you to back up.
You don't need to touch her like that.
She's not putting her hands behind her back.
I'm asking a question.
Okay.
I'm just, all I'm doing is
Put your
asking
hands behind your back. Under arrest, put your hands behind your back. I asked you to sign the ticket. You told me you're not signing it.
Sir,
Put your hands
I'm
behind your back.
asking you a question.
Okay. I'm letting you know. I'm not going to ask you again. I'm going to forcibly put your hands behind your back.
But, Mr. Brooks.
Hold on.
Hey, listen, my man.
She needs
Back
to put her. Let her
Can I?
put her phone.
Okay, you can put your phone down.
Okay, Mr.
Brooks.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not saying that I'm refusing to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket.
You don't have an option now.
Because but I'm going to sign the ticket, Mr. Brooks. I'm going to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket.
No, I'm not here to play games with you.
I know, but I'm going to sign.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mr. Brooks, I'm going to sign
Put your hands behind your back.
Why am I
You're actively resisting.
I'm asking you, why am I putting my hands behind my back?
You're under arrest.
I'm going to sign the ticket, but why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest? I'm going to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket, Mr. Brooks.
That's all it is.
I'm going to sign the ticket.
I asked you to sign the ticket.
I'm going to sign the ticket now. Mr. Brooks, I'm going
You
to
don't
sign
have
the
that
ticket.
option now.
Why don't I have the option,
I
Mr.
gave
Brooks?
you 2 options.
Asking for your badge number, and I wasn't clear on why you weren't giving me your badge number.
Sir, you do not have to hold her like that.
Oh my God. Sir, Mr. Brooks.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going to sign the ticket, Mr. Brooks. I'm going to sign the ticket. Why am I being arrested? Can you please tell me why I'm being arrested? Oh my God, I'm so scared. My God, please, in the name of Jesus, please, God, in the name. Why am I being arrested, Mr. Brooks? I'm going to sign the ticket. Mr. Brooks, why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? I don't understand why I'm being arrested. Can you please tell me why I'm being arrested?
Turn around and put your hands behind your
You
back.
tell me why I'm being arrested. I have the right. I have the right to know. Oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my
And stop resisting.
God.
Stop resisting.
What are you taking her for?
I didn't take it.
Why are you pulling it out?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, sir. This is unnecessary. What are you doing? This is over.
This woman might think she was Miss Law expert. Unfortunately, her repetitive questions never got answered, and her refusal to cooperate left the officer with no other option. She'd practically reserved herself a seat in the back of a patrol car, even if she suddenly had a change of heart and was ready to sign. Everything had already thickened beyond a simple signature.
Just put your hands behind your back.
I don't understand why I'm being arrested. That's why I'm not putting my hands behind my back. You have not given me a reason. I'm not. You haven't told me my rights or told me why I'm being arrested. That's exactly why I'm not putting my hands behind my back. God. Oh my God!
Yeah, give me your hands. You got everything.
Oh my God! I don't understand why I'm not being arrested. I don't understand. Please, sir, you have not told me why I'm being arrested, and that's why I have not put my hands behind my back. You have not told me, or you have not read me my rights or anything, and you're steady doing this to me. I don't understand. Can you please just tell me why I'm being arrested? That's all I'm asking.
I just told you.
Why? Why
You refused to sign the ticket.
I did not, Mr. Brooks. I told you I was going to sign the ticket. Can I please?
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't understand.
Put your hands behind your back,
I'm
man.
telling you, I'm going to sign the ticket, Mr. Brooks. I will sign the ticket, please.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Why are you? I don't understand.
Put your hands behind your
How
back.
you handling me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, God, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're hurting me. You are hurting me.
Okay, put your hands behind.
Hurting me my rights. You have not done any of that. You're not telling me why I'm going to jail. Please, God.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, God. Please. Get arrested. Ow. You're hurting me. You are.
Stop resisting. Come
I'm
on.
trying to tell you for what? Ouch! You are, Mr. Brooks, you are hurting my arm!
Come on, man.
Oh my God! Is this real? Please, God, in the name of Jesus, please, God, I'm not being arrested!
Y'all are hurting me. Sit resisting, bro, now move. Code 4063.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That was unnecessary.
Oh my God!
You can record from over here.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What's your name, sir? Officer Taylor. Officer Taylor.
After growing tired of pleading, the woman started having agitated behavior and repeatedly claiming that Officer Brooke was hurting her. These exaggerated reactions made the men around her feel uncomfortable, even though she claimed to want to fix the situation. She's the perfect example of playing the victim card. These actions could be considered disorderly conduct under Texas Penal Code SS 42.01. If she actively resisted arrest, she could face a Class A misdemeanor, which is punishable by a fine of up to $4,000, up to 1 year in jail, or both. Additionally, refusing to cooperate or provide necessary information to law enforcement may result in a Class C misdemeanor. As outlined in Texas Penal Code SSS 38.15, carrying a fine of up to $500. However, if she has no prior criminal record and her behavior wasn't excessively severe, she may be eligible for a reduced sentence or probation.
All right, sit up.
Where y'all taking her?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Please, God!
Get in the car.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Sit up and get in the car.
Oh my God!
Let's go.
Ouch! Oh my God!
Go ahead and search her before I put her in. Turn around. I was one that's too.
You got any weapons on you? Any knives, anything like that?
No!
You sure? Alright.
Oh my God!
Put your feet inside.
Oh my God! Can I have my phone?
In the end, her stubbornness turned a simple ticket into a legal mess. The woman could face several penalties such as trespassing, resisting arrest, and failure to comply with law enforcement. Wraps up today's episode. Which situation impressed you the most? We hope you found some surprising moments while watching the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stories like this. Your support helps us create more engaging content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore another intriguing case. Thank you for watching.